housing market can be tough to navigate, but thankfully, Seller's Advantage is here to help. LA neighborhoods are just so iconic. What do you love about them?
I love the diversity of the neighborhoods. You have multifamily, single family, stuff built in the 1900s, stuff built brand new. Like, there's so much of everything. People really appreciate the opportunity to have options when selling their house. My partner, Doug Hopkins, and myself, back in 2013, we were sitting there. We were already in the real estate space, buying and selling houses, but we kept hearing over and over the frustrations that homeowners had. And they were frustrated by the showings and the repairs and the fix-ups and all the stuff that goes along with selling your house. Really, we didn't understand it fully. I'd never sold a house that I had lived in. In fact, right now is the first time I've ever done that. I'm selling a house and I live in it and it's a nightmare. But we wanted to solve those problems, and so we came up with the Seller's Advantage solution where we directly marketed to homeowners to say, you don't need to do the fix-ups, you don't need to do the repairs, you don't need to do any of the headaches. We have people reach out to us and then we have a conversation about what does your house look like? When was the last time the kitchen was updated or the bathrooms? Really, we love transparency, and the transparency is if we can add value to your house by upgrading it, that's really when we're a great option for home sellers.
Where is the market in LA headed?
The market's in a weird spot. We have more houses coming onto the market. We have less people who are able to afford to buy the house. And we've got a whole lot going on just in the economic state with the tariffs. And there's so much uncertainty that people are kind of just at a standstill right now. Unless prices come down or interest rates come down, our housing market is, we're feeling a pinch we haven't felt in quite a while. We want to make a world-class home selling experience, and now our actions have to live up to it. So when these reviews come through, and we get reviews from real estate agents who say, I'm a realtor myself, but I use this and it was amazing. Or things, when they sound too good to be true, they normally are. Seller's Advantage was the opposite. They sounded too good to be true and it was true. It's everything.